Question 2 of this exercise says, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal 8 cm, angle B equal 45 degree and AB minus AC equal 3.5 cm. So let's start with the steps of construction. The first step says, draw base BC equal 8 cm and at point B make an angle of 45 degree using a protractor. So first of all, we have to draw base BC. So let's draw base BC. That is B and that is C and that is of 8 centimeter. And using a protractor, we have to make an angle of 45 degree. Now at B, we'll put the protractor and we'll make an angle of 45 degree like this. Now in the next step, we'll put the compass at B and we will draw an arc of radius 3.5 centimeter that intersect BX at D like this, and we'll name this point of intersection as D. Now in the next step, we just need to join D and C. Now in the next step, with D and C as the center and radius greater than half of DC, draw arcs above and below the line to intersect BX at A. So we'll take the radius greater than half of D and C and we'll put the compass at D and we'll draw an arc like this. Similarly, we'll put the compass at C and we'll draw an arc like this. The same thing we will do below the line. So we'll draw an arc like this and we'll draw another arc like this. Now we will draw a line that intersect BX and we will name this point of intersection as A. Now in the next step, we have to join AC and ABC is the required triangle. Now let's join A and C. So we will join A and C and we'll get ABC as the required triangle.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.